First of all, I would like to appreciate the job done by AIB, a very commendable job. It was a very challenging task. In fact, for the first time, safely securing the black box and trying to decode the data and everything being done in India itself in the lab in Delhi for AIB, first of its kind. So I'd like to appreciate all the efforts they have put in to do a very transparent, very mature, professional way the investigation has been done, and also all the international protocols have also been respected and followed. And regarding the report, this is a preliminary report right now, and from the ministry we are analyzing the report, but I think it would be better if we can comment on it once the final report comes in. So we are coordinating with AIB also. Whatever support or resources they need, we will be providing to them. But AIB will be the primary investigating agency into this, and we are hoping that as soon as possible the final report also comes in so that we can arrive at some conclusion.
Sir, conversation.
The report has only stated within that there are multiple other things also that need to be looked into before preparing the final report. So we want the final report to come in to look at things. So let us wait till then.
Sir, it was happening. What do you think?
I don't think we should jump into any conclusions on this. I truly believe we have the most wonderful workforce in terms of pilots and the crew in the whole world. I have to appreciate all the efforts the pilots and the crew in this country are putting into the aviation. They are the backbone of this civil aviation. They are the primary resource of civil aviation, and we care for the welfare and the well-being of our pilots also. So let's not jump to any conclusions at this stage. Let us wait for the final report.
Sir, what was your message?
Justice has to be done. So I know it is a very difficult time for the family members, but from our side, whatever best we can do from the ministry, we are trying to assist in that.